Today's recipe is Channa punch, also known as chickpea punch. So if you're interested in delicious recipes, subscribe to our channel so you wouldn't miss out. For this, I used 1 cup of dried channa and left it to soak in water overnight. Next, we rinsed and drained the channa and put it to boil. Note that it was boiled in water only. Nothing else was added. They were boiled until soft and they could be easily crushed with your fingers. Drain and place into your blender. Water was then added to the blender up to the 3-cup mark. Next, he added 4 spoons of condensed milk, 4 spoons of powdered milk, vanilla essence, and nutmeg to taste. Lastly, ice was added to the blender. Blend until smooth. Please note that all of these ingredients can be adjusted to suit your taste, and also additional ingredients can be added. Ingredients such as banana or even peanut butter could have also been added to give this recipe a different and great taste. Once finished, strain and enjoy. We loved how this recipe turned out, and I hope that you do too. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.